Good afternoon, class 10 students. In this class, we will do some questions related to areas, related to circles, and these are combination of figures. But before that, let's do this question. Suppose you have a circle. This is A, O, B. This angle is 60 degree. This is 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. Find the area of segment. So, what is the area of segment? Directly we can apply for 60 degree the formula. Area of segment, area of quadrant minus, or area of sector minus area of triangle. Sector minus area of triangle. Now what is the sector? Theta by 360 pi r square minus, for 60 degree the answer is very simple, it is equilateral triangle r square. So first take common, r square is common, and this is 1 by 6, so pi upon 6 minus root 3 by 4. Okay, and here you can put the value of 10. So this is 100 and use 3.14, easy हो जाता है, and that this you can take the LCM and solve this, right? So whatever the answer, suppose this is 100, this is 24, 4 into 3.14 minus 6 root. So you can solve this and get the answer in centimeter square. This is your area of segment, right? Now we'll do another question. Suppose you have a square here, okay, and these are the diagonals of the square. Taking over a center, a quadrant is drawn here and here. Okay, find the area of this shaded region, this region and this region. Suppose this is 10 centimeter. This is also, that is square की side 10 centimeter. So एक आपको formula बताना चाहिए. You should know this. If this is 10 and this is 10, then this is 10 root 2. So this is A, B, C, D. OB is equal to 10 root 2 divided by 2, that is 5 root 2. So this is 5 root 2. So this is a segment here. The angle is 90 degree. So area of segment is area of sector minus area of triangle, and the theta is 90 degree. So we can directly find one segment is equal to theta, that is 90 upon 360. R square is 5 root 2 whole square minus, we have to use that formula, r square sin theta by 2. This one sin 90 is 1, so we can directly write r square by 2. And you can also use half base into height. So the base is also r and height is also r, because the angle is 90 degree. So now we can use the value of r here as 5 root 2 whole square, right? So this is one segment, and for two segment you can multiply this complete quantity by 2. So required area is 2 into 90 pi, and what is 5 square? 25. 25 to the 50 minus, this is 50 by 2, right? This is 360. Cancel, this is 4 and 2 is outside, so we can multiply. This is cancellation by 25 upon 2 minus 25. So let's multiply everywhere 2. 25 pi minus 50, right? So we can even solve this if the value of this is 3.14, right? So we'll get something like this. 25 for the 100, 10, 25 on the 25 plus 135, right? 25 is 70, 78. We get 78.75. 78.50 minus 50, that is 28.50 centimeter square. So that is the area of this shaded region, right? So we can have one more question for this combination of figures. So there is a isosceles right angle triangle. Taking this as radius, we have drawn a quadrant, and taking this midpoint as radius, we have drawn a semicircle. So we need to find this shaded region, and the side of the isosceles right angle triangle is pi. So again, first of all, you can find this as 5 root 2. This will become the diameter of the semicircle. So the radius of semicircle is 5 root 2 upon 2, and the radius of quadrant is 5. So what you will do is you will subtract this quadrant from right angle triangle, area and semicircle. तो triangle का area plus semicircle का area minus quadrant का area कर लें. Triangle मतलब ये area, semicircle मतलब ये पूरा this one complete minus quadrant. You will get the shaded region. Triangle is half base into height, half 5 into 5 plus semicircle is pi r square upon 2 minus quadrant is 1/4 of a circle, that is 1 by 4 pi into 5 square. This you have to solve, and in place of r you will write 5. You can write 5 upon root 2. So let's solve this. 5 into 25 plus pi upon 2 into 5 का square 25 root 2 का 2 minus 1 by 4 into pi 25. So you will see that this and this exactly cancel. So the answer is 25 by 2, which is, so this shaded region is equal to the area of triangle. This also we have proved, and this is 12.5 centimeter square. Area of triangle also, and this shaded region also. This is a very good question. So keep solving this question, and see you in the next class.